to make me whole. But in the girl